So is there a way that you can help me get past this bypass system that is not allowing me to finish the setup for this install?
Okay, can I ask for the account number to pull up the account? I mean the phone number to pull up the account.
The phone number to pull up the account? Give me just one moment. Can I get the phone? 864-918-6664. 6664.
Okay, one moment. Under Diane Stewart.
Diane Stewart is the name.
And is the account holder available?
Yes, she is.
Can I speak to her for a sec?
Give me just one moment. Miss Stewart.
Yes.
They are about to speak with you in regards of your order system.
Yes.
All right, here you go.
Hello. This is Diane Stewart.
Hello, ma'am. Can I ask for your verbal passcode?
3357